This is a one owner 2018 Chevy Colorado Z71 5-foot bed. It has 6 cylinders with 3.6 liters. AutoCheck gives this truck a score of 96 out of 95 and shows no history of being involved in any accident or having any damage reported. You can view the AutoCheck report by visiting www.onyxautosales.com. It has a towing capacity of up to 7,000 pounds. And the bed has a retractable cover that rolls up into there and closes all the way. So you can protect your belongings. Come around here, you have aluminum alloy rims, and I'll zoom in so you can see the tread on the tires. Now let's go inside. The interior of this Colorado is black leather in excellent condition. Here is the back row. And it has USB, sorry, went too fast, USB and a 12-volt port right there. Let's go up front now. Here is the passenger seat. You have dual power seats. They are also heated, which is very nice in the wintertime. Here's your heated seats, and you can have it on your back and the seat or just on the back. There's your audio controls, then your menu screen. This display, the navigation screen, is where your backup camera is. It is also equipped with Apple CarPlay. It's your OnStar. There's no caution lights or warning lights. Audio controls, cruise control. There's your towing, your 2-wheel drive high and low, 4-wheel drive, power locks, power windows. And then in here you have another USB port, and down here you have the USB auxiliary port, and this is the USB port where if you want to use the CarPlay you would plug in your phone to that. Then you have a 12-volt port there. If you are looking for a 4-wheel drive truck to travel around it, or to go on adventures with, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this Colorado out for a test drive. We are located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you will drive away smiling. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock!